Bird photography. It's like you're trying to get a selfie with Bigfoot while juggling and trying not to trip over your own shoelaces. Yeah, it's that hard. If you love a challenge, welcome to the jungle. Literally. Let's dive in. So, you think you're just gonna stroll into nature, slap on a telephoto lens, and boom, National Geographic, right? Wrong. See, birds don't care about your plans. You'll be there waiting for that perfect shot, and then you finally see it and start to get locked in, and that's when the bird decides to casually fly behind a tree. Or better yet, just vanish into thin air like it's Houdini. Now, contrary to popular belief, bird photography is not just point and shoot. Oh no. You're basically a wildlife spy, a really bad spy at that, because birds always know you're there. And they're like, nah bro, not today. I think I spend more time walking in nature than actually shooting, but sometimes I get some shots in. So we can't talk about bird photography without talking about gear. You think you need the biggest, most expensive lens you can afford, right? Well, actually, you kind of do. Like, if you're trying to photograph a bird that's like a mile away, you need a lens that can spot a flea on the bird's wing. But don't think that's gonna guarantee bangers. Oh no. See, you're just paying to suffer in higher resolution. Now, instead of blurry blobs, you get crystal clear blobs that you can show off to your friends. Look, it's yeah, that's a bird, definitely. And let's not even get started on the tripod situation, because apparently the moment you set up your tripod, the bird's like, oh, you ready now? Cool, time to leave. Here's the real kicker. Bird photography is 90% patience, 10% skill. And by patience, I mean sitting in one spot for hours like a ninja, waiting for the bird to do something worthy of the shot. Oh, and by the way, birds don't have schedules. They don't care that you've been sitting there since 5 a.m. in the cold, waiting for them to pose all majestic like. They're like, you want a shot? Too bad, human. I'm gonna go eat some worms. But every once in a while, just when you're about to give up, it happens. In my case, this baby bird started scratching his head on the small branch next to him, and apparently he found the spot. Dude's mouth is all open, tongue hanging out like, oh yeah, that's the stuff. I look at this shot and I think, yeah, I worked for this one. All the pain and the waiting, the blurry disasters, they're all worth it. Until next time, when once again you realize that bird photography is still harder than you think. So next time you see an incredible bird photo, know this. That photographer probably went through an emotional roller coaster just to get it. Blood, sweat, and tears, and maybe a little bit of insanity. So if you're into challenges, frustration, and the occasional moment of triumph, give bird photography a shot. Or, just stick to landscapes and portraits. Alright, so go ahead, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know down in the comments, what is the hardest photo that you've ever taken? Also, visit my website, jeff-gresham.com, to pick up my brand new Lightroom preset pack that features 13 presets that I use every day for only $10. And until next time, get out and shoot. And I'll catch you all in the next video. Later.